There are countless beautiful places in the world. From among them, today I will speak about a few of the most famous and spectacular locations. Places that are unique in terms of nature, history, and culture.
Now, I will take you to another place on Earth filled with a charming atmosphere, a place called the Maldives.
Music licensing.
The Maldives is an island nation in the Indian Ocean, southwest of Sri Lanka and India. It is known for its atolls of white sand islands, turquoise lagoons, and coral reefs. The country is a global destination for luxury tourism and a frontline state in discussions about climate change and rising sea levels. Key facts. Capital, Malay. Official language, Divehi. Currency, Maldivian Rupiah, MVR. Population, about 520,000, 2023 estimate. Government, Presidential Republic.
Music licensing reimagined.
Geography and environment. The Maldives consists of around 1,200 small coral islands grouped into 26 natural atolls, stretching over 800 kilometers. Only about 200 islands are inhabited. The country's average ground level is just 1.5 meters above sea level, making it the lowest lying nation on Earth and highly vulnerable to oceanic rise and erosion. Economy. Tourism dominates the economy, accounting for roughly 1/3 of GDP. Fishing and fish processing are traditional industries, while construction and transport services support the resort sector. The Maldives' pristine marine environment is both its main economic resource and a key conservation concern.
Music licensing reimagined.
Culture. Maldivian culture blends South Asian, Arab, and African elements. Islam is the state religion and shapes daily life. Music and dance, such as Bodu Beru drumming, and cuisine featuring fish, coconut, and rice, reflect the island's maritime heritage. Climate change and sustainability. With much of its land barely above sea level, the Maldives faces existential threats from global warming. It has advocated internationally for carbon neutrality and coastal protection measures, symbolizing the urgent plight of low-lying island nations.